Hello dear students, welcome back to Royce and Creations YouTube channel. In this class, let us analyze science model question paper for preparatory exam. So this is not the final paper what we are going to give. This is the model question paper because many students you said ma'am please you do it in English medium. So because of that I am going to start with the English medium. So this is the question paper 1 and another one question paper I will upload soon. So if you want you can comment, then only I can start with the another question paper. So those who are watching first time, please subscribe and share it with your friends. And also I have done many videos about science and mathematics, so that link also I have given in the description, so you can go through with that videos and you can get the solution. So shall we start the class? Okay. So science model question paper, already you know the pattern. So directly I am going with the first main multiple choice question. Here this is part A, physics only will be there in the part A. So the first question, the SI unit of electric charge is volt, ampere, coulomb and joule. So the SI unit of charge is always coulomb. The current is always the SI unit is a ampere, and the potential difference SI unit is a volt, and joule is the SI unit for energy. So the answer is coulomb. Second question, the suitable focal length of the convex lens used as a magnifying lens to read hallmark 916 written on the ornament is A 12 cm, B 60 cm, C 100 cm, D 120 cm. So the answer is 12 cm. Third question, the magnetic field lines inside the solenoids are in the form of parallel straight lines. The reason for this is the magnetic field inside the solenoid is always uniform, because we know that when we are applied the electricity, it is in the uniform. So all the magnetic lines are showing in the parallel lines. So the answer is uniform. Second main, answer the following questions. So sixth question, draw the ray diagram to show the formation of image by a convex lens where the object is kept between 2f1 and f1. So here I have drawn the ray diagram. So the object should be between f and f, 2f. So the object where it will obtain, it will be beyond 2f. So and also the image is a real image and inverted. So whenever you will draw the ray diagram, please children, you have to mention nature of the diagram and size of the nature of the image and size of the image. Seventh question, the resistivity of two conductors A and B are 1.62 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meter and 5.20 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter respectively. Which of them is used in? First one, transportation of electricity, and second one is the making of heating coil. Why? So by transportation of electricity, they are going to use the conductor A because it is the good conductor. If the resistivity is very less, it acts like a good conductor. So the answer is good conductor A is used in the transporting electricity, and conductor B is used in making the heating of coil, because it is highly you know that it has high resistivity and resistance to oxidization at high temperature. Eighth question, observe the following table and complete the table using Ohm's law. So here children, electric current they have given, and here potential difference. So you know the Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. So by using that formula easily you can calculate potential difference, electric current and resistance. So I have given the table, you practice. Fourth main, answer the following questions. Ninth question, draw the diagram of an electric generator, label the following parts: carbon brush and rings. So children, I have already given which are the important diagrams. So you have to practice thoroughly, so you will get the 2 marks for this diagram. 10th question, so in the given question they have given convex lens, so the focal length will become minus 15 cm, and the object distance they have given, that is 30 cm, and we have to find out image distance and magnificence of the lens. So we know the lens formula, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by minus 30. So 1 by minus 15 is equal to, so here minus is there, so cancelling you will get plus, so 1 by V plus 1 by 30. So if you have taken 1 by 30 to the right side or left side, plus will changes to minus, so it will become 1 minus 15 minus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by V. So 30 plus 15 divided by minus 450 is equal to 1 by V. So if you are adding these two number, 45 by 450, so cancellation again will get 1 by 10. So V is equal 1 over V is equals to 1 over minus 10. So V is equals to minus 10 centimeter. So we know the, so anyhow we know the, so we got image distance, that is minus 10 centimeter. So magnificence of the image is V by U, that is the formula. So V is minus 10, we got the answer, and the image distance, object distance is minus 30. So 0 0 cancel, so the answer is 1 by 3, because minus will also cancel, so the answer is 1 by 3, that means 0.333 is the answer. So the image distance is minus 10 centimeter and the magnification of the lens is 1 by 3, that means 0.33 centimeter. The next question is, explain the advantages and disadvantages of solar cells. So what are the advantages of solar cell? It is eco-friendly and causes less pollution, and they have low maintenance cost, and the source of energy for the solar cell is present is abundantly. So disadvantages is the cost of manufacturing is very expensive, and the solar cell have low efficiency. They cannot convert about 25% of light energy falling on them into electricity, and also it cannot be used in the absence of light from any sources. So these are all the advantages and disadvantages of the solar cell. Fifth main, so here you will get the 3 marks questions. Answer the following questions. So 12th question is, explain the principle of working of simple electronic motor. What is the role of split rings in the electric motor? And also, how are commercial motors different from simple electronic motors? We know the principle of electric motor, that is, so we know the principle of electric motor is based on the current carrying conductor which produces magnetic field around it, and a current carrying a conductor is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field so that it experiences a force. So split ring ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? The split ring is used for reversing the direction of the current in the coil, so that we are using the split ring. So, and what are the differences between simple electric motors and commercial motors? In commercial electric motors, field coils are used for producing magnetic field and not a permanent magnet as in the simple electric motors. These coils become magnetized when current passes through them. So that is the difference between commercial motors and simple electric motors. So 13th question, state Ohm's law, mention the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. So Ohm's law means the potential difference across the 2 points of a metallic conductor is directly proportional to current passing through the circuit provided the temperature remain constant, and the factors depends on the resistance of a conductor is, the first one, it is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, inversely proportional to the area of cross section, and directly proportional to the temperature, and also it depends on the nature of the material. And the B question, state Joule's law of heating and write the mathematical formula for the Joule's law. Joule's law of heating states that when a current passes through a conductor of resistance R for the time t, the heat developed in the conductor is equal to the product of square of the current and resistance and time. That means I is equal to VIT. So H is equal to V andrenu. V means it is the Ohm's law, that is H into I into R into IT. So I become I square RT. So H is equal to I square RT. So H directly proportional to I square R into T. Part B, chemistry. So 6th main, multiple choice question. 14th question, the gas liberated when an acid reacts with a metal is hydrogen, chlorine, carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. 100% when gas liberated when react with the acid with the metal is, that is hydrogen. So option E is the right answer. B question, 15th question, the hydrocarbons that undergoes addition reaction among the following is, ಇರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು addition reaction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is C3H6. The option D is the right answer. 16th question, in modern periodic table, as we move from left to right along the period, the atomic size of the element is decreases. So the option C is the right answer. 7th main, answer the following question. 17th question, it is possible to test the hardness of water using detergents. Give reason for your own answer. So detergents are ammonium sulfate salt of long chain carboxylic acid. Unlike soap, they do not react with the calcium and magnesium iron presence in hard or soft. This means that detergents can be used in both soft and hard water. Therefore it cannot be used to check whether the water is hard or not. 18th question, in the modern periodic table, the elements of 17th groups are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine respectively. Which elements has the highest ability to receive electrons? Why? Here fluorine having highest ability. Why? Because it has 7 valency electrons, so it can needs only one more electron to achieve octet structure or noble gas configuration. 19th question, ionic compounds have high melting points. Why? So ionic compounds have high melting point because it takes a lot of energy to overcome the strong electrostatic force of attraction between the oppositely charged ions. 8th main, answer the following questions. So 20th question, name the ketone having 4 carbon atoms and write the structure. So they are telling what they are given 4 carbon atom, that means it will become a butane. So they asked ketone, that means butanone agbeku, that means so this is the structure I have given. 21st question, draw the diagram of the apparatus used to show that acid solution and in water conductivity electricity and label the dilute HCl. So here I have given the figure and the name also naming also I have given. 22nd question, the gas liberated when sodium carbonate react with the dilute hydrochloric acid, it passes through lime water, a white precipitate is formed. But when the same gas is passed through lime water, in excess precipitates are not visible. Why? Why? Because carbon dioxide gas is liberated when hydrochloric acid reacts with the sodium hydrogen carbonate. The gas liberated thus will passes through lime water and the lime water turns milky due to presence of carbon dioxide, and further more if we do the same, the solution becomes clear. So because of the formation of calcium hydrogen carbonate. So next 9th main, answer the following questions. 23rd question, explain the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. So here I have given the points, so you have to practice, children. So the next one is 24th, write the differences between saturated carbon and unsaturated carbons. So here also I have given the answer, so you follow this. Next one, 25th question, draw the diagram of the arrangement of the apparatus showing the stream on metal, label the following. So here metal sample and delivery tube you have to draw. So diagrams must and should, so you practice it. Then 10th main, answer the following question. So here I have given the questions because I am not going to explain, just I am showing that. So next part C, that is biology, multiple choice question. 27th question, the practice of using used materials without changing their shape and form is, that is we called as a reuse. 28th question, the correct statement with respect to biodegradable substances among the following is these substances. So you read 4 options. So in that, undergo recycling nature in the environmental is the right answer. 12th main, answer the following questions. So here the questions I have given with the answer. So you may copy this and you can go through this, and also if you need I will give the PDF link also in the description box. so you have to thoroughly practice, student, because only few days are there, so still you have time, so you can practice this. So this is the model paper, so need not to worry why ma'am is given difficult, because you have to get ready for the exam, so only I have given this one. So practice, student, practice thoroughly, then it's very easy, you can score the marks. And diagrams, must and should you have to learn the diagram, because 16 marks diagrams will be there, and you have to learn how to draw the diagram also. And this is the paper, this is the model paper, so practice thoroughly and get good marks in the final exam. So thank you for watching this video, and for the more videos please subscribe Royson Creations YouTube channel. Thank you. So fourth question, if the radius of curvature of lens is 30 centimeter, then what is the focal length? So here they have given the radius of curvature, that is r is equal to 30 centimeter. So we should find out the focal length. But we know the relationship between radius of curvature and focal length, that is f is equal to r by 2. So f is equal to 30 by 2. So 2 ones are 215. So the answer is 15. Fifth question, in the experiment of refraction through a glass slab, the angle of incidence should be less than 90 degree. Why? Why? Because if it is exceeded more than 90 degree, the angle causes total internal reflection instead of refraction. Are you getting, children? Instead of refraction, it causes reflection. So only the angle of incidence always should be less than 90 degree.